Hey everyone, welcome back to another Camp Nou construction update. The stadium is evolving rapidly, and today we're bringing you all the latest developments, including Joan Laporta's confirmation that the seating bowls and core structural elements inside the stadium are set to be completed by the end of the year of 2026. Roof installation and final touches are expected to be finished by the end of 2027. Lateral stands, corner sections, and both goals are progressing quickly, with third-tier seating and VIP areas receiving their final touches. Drainage systems, stairways, and internal walls are being finalized, bringing the stadium closer to match-ready condition. Stay tuned for every milestone in this incredible transformation. So let's get started and take a closer look at all the construction happening inside Camp Nou. In Gol Sur, activity continues with a lifting platform operating near the tower crane. Some upper sandwich panels remain pending. Lower sections show no new anchor points or slat support connections. Recently painted black beams give a cleaner finish. In the corner above, the first overhang glass panels appear fully installed, marking clear progress. Sandwich panels are being installed in the upper section, marking steady facade progress. The adjacent lateral area is already covered, shaping the elevator shaft structure. A trailer with long structural pieces has arrived, reinforcing continued momentum on site. This is the most important update of the corner section. The corner section is nearly finished. The left sector is fully complete. Only a few slats remain in the upper right corner of the right sector. About 8 slats are left. Supports and anchors are in place behind the diamond, shaping this corner. Cranes, lifting platforms, and slats are ready, so this section will likely be completed today. At the lateral zone, the 4th radial beam and 4th pillar have been installed. Despite the recent rain and strong winds, the construction team successfully placed these massive elements. Preparations are already underway for the 5th radial beam and pillar, likely extending toward the Gol Sur area. Significant progress has also been made in the stairwell and elevator areas. The first sandwich panel has been installed above the concrete panels next to the future elevator doors. The panels have a modern, gray-chromed finish, and multiple elevating platforms are active to help workers position them safely. As more panels are installed, the structure is starting to take on a finished appearance. From this viewpoint, we see 4 radial beams installed, a crucial step toward completing the stadium's compression ring. These massive elements, combined with pillars and tension systems, show the upper structure steadily taking shape. If work continues at this pace, we could soon see installation of a 5th beam and new support pillars, accelerating roof construction. Moving closer to the lateral side, large structural pieces remain prepared for upcoming installation phases. Progress depends on completing remaining Lamella sections between sectors. The staircase structures show little visible change, though workers continue operating across different stadium levels. On the first cantilever level, crews work on surface finishing, although protective panels still limit visibility. Various materials and pipes remain positioned across the site, prepared for upcoming installation stages. In the corner section, workers perform technical adjustments and structural preparations, including cable and surface work. Recent rainfall left water accumulation in some areas, while hydraulic tools prepare surfaces for the next construction phase. Although no major ground-level structures appear, progress is still visible in upper sections. A key development this week is the return of Lamella support installation in this sector. After limited activity, new supports now appear in lower and upper levels. Some sections still require completion, but progress indicates Lamella installation and anchoring work could begin soon. At the north end corner, insulating and finishing elements have been installed in mid-level areas, though several sections remain pending completion. Lower levels show minimal changes, with anchoring and support installations still awaiting further work. This area presents important progress. New connections for Lamella supports have been installed across several beams, expanding earlier work. Additional sections still need completion, but preparations will soon allow installation of supports and lamellas closer to stands. A new level of structural tubing has been added below previous levels, strengthening support in this section. Glass panels and heavy machinery remain on site, ready for upcoming construction phases. The stadium continues progressing week by week, with developments across multiple sectors. We'll continue monitoring progress and return soon with the next construction update. See you in the next video as we continue following the transformation step by step.